In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your ClickUp account efficiently. Whether you're safeguarding your personal data or ensuring your company's information is protected, performing regular backups is a must. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step to make sure your ClickUp data is securely backed up using Pro Backup. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Pro Backup. You'll simply need to search for Pro Backup in Google. It should be one of the top search results, and once you spot it, click on the link to navigate to the website. Pro Backup offers a user-friendly way to back up platforms like ClickUp. Once on the site, you'll see a Try for Free button prominently displayed. This is perfect if you're just getting started and want to see how the process works without any immediate commitment. Click that button to start your registration. As you proceed, you will be directed to the onboarding page. Here, look for the ClickUp option and click it to proceed. After selecting ClickUp, you will see a Next button. This keeps everything straightforward and ensures you're following the right path. Now, it's time to set up your account. You have the option to either type in your email address or connect with your Google account for added convenience. This selection depends on how you prefer to manage your online accounts. Either way, once you're set, move on to the next step where you'll enter your name. This is a simple formality to personalize the account. With your basic info filled out, click Sign Up. After successfully signing up, you will receive a verification code by email which you'll need to enter. Keep an eye on your inbox for this code, as it's essential for verifying your account with Pro Backup. Next, you'll need to connect your ClickUp workspace to Pro Backup. Click on Sign In with ClickUp, and you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Here, you'll notice a workspace option. Click on this option to see your available workspaces. Then, connect your selected workspace to Pro Backup by clicking Connect Workspace. After connecting, enter the code sent to your email again. This is a measure to ensure that the connection is secure and verified by you. At this point, you have established a secure link between Pro Backup and your ClickUp account. Finally, initiate the backup by selecting Start Backup. By doing this, Pro Backup will begin securing your ClickUp data, ensuring it's safe and sound should you ever need to restore it. And that's it. Just a few simple steps to safeguard your ClickUp data using Pro Backup. Remember, regularly backing up your data empowers you with peace of mind and security. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up.